Thanks to Tiny Idahomes, their dream has now become a reality. The video showcases the beautiful tiny house that Tiny Idahomes has built for them, which captures the essence of the old French storyteller perfectly. From the charming curved roofline to the quaint shutters and window boxes, every detail has been carefully crafted to create a space that is both enchanting and functional. They take us on a tour of their new home, pointing out all the unique features and design elements that make it truly one of a kind. If you have a small kitchen, you know how challenging it can be to make it work efficiently and stylishly. But what if we told you that you can have it all, and even better, right near the exit? We'll show you how to design the ultimate small kitchen that has everything you need, without sacrificing style or convenience. Next, we'll demonstrate how to create an efficient layout that maximizes every inch of space. You'll see how to incorporate smart storage solutions such as pull-out cabinets, built-in organizers, and adjustable shelving. We'll also showcase clever space-saving appliances such as a compact dishwasher, an electronic hob, and a big refrigerator. Upon entering the house, near the kitchen sink, we see a custom-made ladder with drawers and a ladder attached to the wall. An ascent to one of the loft bedrooms. It is 7 feet in size, which has a queen-size bed and 2 wall lamps that give enough light. In another part of the house, above the bathroom, there is a second loft bedroom, 9 feet in size. Okay, let's go to bathroom. First, we'll showcase the spacious closet that offers plenty of storage for your towels, linens, and personal items. You'll see how the closet is designed to maximize space and organization, with built-in shelves, drawers, and hanging rods. The custom-made wash basin is another highlight of this bathroom, illuminated by a LED lamp for a modern and chic look. You'll see how the wash basin is designed to be both functional and stylish, with ample counter space and storage for your toiletries. Next, we'll highlight the centerpiece of the bathroom, the modern bathtub. You'll see how the sleek and minimalist design of the bathtub creates a relaxing and serene atmosphere. Whether you're a tiny house enthusiast or simply love charming homes, this video is sure to inspire and delight. So, come along and experience the magic of living in a French storyteller-inspired tiny house with Carmen and Tim. Thanks for watching. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.